The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. When they are definite, we have a transparent equanimity that is not connected to our conceptions. This is described as resembling meditating the sun. When we do not reject any definitions at all, our clarity is perfected in the heart essence of wisdom. The true character of this has been empty from the very beginning. It has been perfected in a dominion that has no connection to our consciousness. It is there, no matter what. It is anything at all. It does not stop. But through the specializations of our minds, this unstoppability becomes a dimension of our clarity. It is one, and it is not adulterated. It is evident in different things. It cuts through our addiction to appearances. We may visualize it, but it is not connected to any objective we may seek. The heart essence of wisdom is a rising sun. It is like a house made of precious gemstones. Anything at all may be revealed, but there is nothing there at all. Through an equanimity that is not visible in any way, anything we look for appears to us, and our joining with it is equal to the end of the sky. It transcends measures, relationships, and analogies, as if it were the blazing heart of the sun. To the measure that we are free from obstructions due to extremes, our wisdom will be transparent and unstoppable. It will not remain in any definite place, though, for anything at all might appear to be definite. To the measure that the mirror of delusion is clear, this precious jewel that is the mind itself is originally pure, and is not connected to any designations there may be for the appearances of taking things in and holding on to them. It is like the light rays of 100,000 suns. To the measure we feel this occurring in ourselves, we will be united with the end of the sky, leaving behind the measures of great and small. Holding on is like looking for the edge to the sky. The most minute of the minute mustard seeds has a subtle measure that 100,000 others do not allow. The heart essence of the wisdom that holds knowledge does not know anything, but knows its own clarity. It does not visualize any extreme or middle, but knows its equality with the end of the sky. In the way of the perfection of self-arising wisdom, obstructions that are limiting are brilliantly removed. The mandala of the self-arising sun is clear. This is discussed in the transmission of this perfection, a perfection that is not connected with our works. The wisdom of reflexive awareness holds knowledge, so we understand the heart essence of non-duality to perfection. This wisdom of self-clarity holds to perfection and occurs to us in our experience as being both awareness and appearances. In the mandala of great self-occurring light, deceptive words are joined to symbols in our awareness, and so we meet up with meanings, for the symbols of an unborn dimension, without seeking them, with little toil, and for great purpose.